Series parallel means what now? Input side is series, output side is parallel. Port 1 is series and port 2 is parallel. Same manner, exactly same. And this is the network 1 and this is the network 2, second network. This is the network A and this is the network B. So I can say, if I say this voltage is V1A and this current is I1A, this voltage is V2A and this current is I2A, so the written current, and this current is what? I1A. This is my V2A, sorry, V1B notations. V1B second network. This is I1B and this is I1B and this is V2B, this is I2B, this is I2B, like this. We have like this, isn't it? Now how I should connect now here? Input side is series, as we have seen series means current must be same, means I can simply short this thing now here. I'll simply connect these two. Then here same current will flow now here, and then I can apply this overall voltage here like this. If I say this voltage is V1 and this current is I1, the same current will return now. So where this V1 is equal to V1A plus V1B, isn't it? Series connection over. Next, port 2 is a parallel. Parallel means, so this is the positive here and this is the positive, both has shorted like this. Both positives shorted like this simply. Right, and this is a negative, and this negative and this negatives also shorted now like this. So from this what I can say here, if I say this voltage is V2 and this current is I2, some kind will go here, some other kind will go here, isn't it? Voltage same, current is dividing or not, then what I can say, this type of connection is a series parallel. Input side is series and output side is parallel. Then what we can do here, then if I say HA is the H matrix of the first network and HB is the H matrix of second network, then the overall H matrix, which is given as what? HA plus HB. Then the overall H matrix are simply added. HA plus HB will becomes, right? Fine. Next we'll see the other type of connection. I can say parallel series connection. We use, mostly we don't use this connection. Anyway, see this thing here. If it is given a parallel and series connection, means what now? Port 1 is a parallel, port 2 is a series. This is the port 1 and this is the port 2. Second port like this. Now we can say this has a network A, this has a network B. Now we can say this as usual, this is what now, V1A, and this is what, I1A, this is I1A, this is I1, I2A, V2A, this is I2A, this is also I2A only, and this is V1B, I1B, I1B, this is V2B here, this is I2B, this is also I2B. Now see how the connection now here, parallel series. So port 1 is parallel, port 1 is parallel and port 2 is series. Then what we can do, port 1 is parallel means what now here, this both positives I can short here, and this is the negatives, and both negatives we can short here. This I can say V1, and if I say this current is I1, now some current will go here, some other current will go here, and port 2 is a series means what now here, like this I can do connection. This voltage is what, V2 I can say. If I say this is I2, the same current will return now, isn't it? So this type of connection is what I can say, parallel series connection. So in that cases, the overall G parameters is given as, we can simply add the GA plus GB we can do. So the overall parameters, G parameters can be added directly. Next, what is the another